Alright, so I'm going to show you how to take our standard gooseneck and change it over to a TOT style gooseneck. Essentially it's the same parts. We just need to rotate the body assembly here. I'm going to use an 1/8 inch impact and an impact driver. I do recommend that because we do use some weeping style Loctite that gets down in the threads. It's not a permanent Loctite, so you can use the impact. So all we have to do here is bust these screws loose using the impact. You don't really need to back them all the way out. Just let that fall off of there like that, I guess. You'll flip it over so that the set screws are now on the inside, and you'll just need to tighten it back down. And now you have a TOT style gooseneck.